Hey guys, so today I'm going to create this look. It is my version of Arabic makeup and mixing dark colors, a winged eye, and black liner on my eyes. So I already did one eye already, so I'm just going to show you guys on the other eye. So I'm just going to prime my eyes now with the Morphe concealer just to give it a base on the shadow, a little, for something for the shadow to stick on. That's what I was going to say. And I'm just going to blend that out into my skin with a beauty blender. Just so we have a blank canvas. I really like saying blank canvas. I say that all the time. Alright, so for this look, for this entire eye look, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I love this palette. I have this for a while now, but I love it. It's the best for like fall. So we're going to take the color Musk and on a tapered fluffy brush and just work that in our crease. This is going to be our transition color. Since we're using such dark colors in this look, I need something light for the transition. So this is a perfect transition color for this look. Just going to work that into the crease. And so it gets easier to blend afterwards when we start going in with the dark colors. Alright, so now we're going to go with the color Amber. It's a nice orangey rusty color. So that we're going to take an angled fluffy brush. And we're going to put that right underneath where we put Musk. And then work that and try blending that out with Musk and this color. So we're going to use quite some product. So you're going to see me going back and forth into the palette and picking up more product. At first it is going to look choppy because it is a dark color and you're mixing in the light, but if you keep blending, all you have to do is blend and then going back and forth and then it'll work out. Alright, so we're going to take a flat dome brush and this is a dark color that we're going to put in and we're going to use the color Oud. And this is going to go all over our lid. Like so. So we're going to keep packing it on so the color shows a little more. I want it to be dark. So just keep packing that up, taking that a little above to the crease. And mixing that with the color Amber. And then we're going to go back with the angled brush and just keep blending. So going back and forth into Amber with the fluffy brush and then into Oud. We're going to go back to the angled fluffy brush and now we're going to take the color Saffron. This is the red in the palette. So this color is going to help blend the Amber and Oud color that we have. Sorry, my camera wasn't focusing. So it's kind of going back and forth with that. Alright, just blending that out. Taking a little above the crease so the colors mix well. Then go back with an a clean brush and then just blend the top. Alright, so the topper of our look is going to be the pressed glitter that's in this palette. It has a lot of fallout, and to work with this you have to press it into your skin, but the color is beautiful. It's amazing product. So I'm just going to take my finger and then just dab it and tap it onto my eyelid. There's going to be some fallout with this color because it's obviously a pressed glitter. I'm just taking that all the way over my eye because I want this all over my eye, not just on my lid. I'm just blending it out so the majority of it is going to be on the lid and then it's going to spread out all over my eye too. Alright, so for eyeliner I'm going to use the Maybelline's Black is Black gel liner with a flat eyeliner brush that I have from Morphe. So for this look, I'm going to do a very dramatic cat eye. In like Arabic eye looks, they're huge on cat eyes. So, and they do a very dramatic, pulled out, all the way out wing eyeliner. So I'm definitely going for that. I'm not going to go as dramatic as I've seen. There are some really dramatic ones, but this one is pretty dramatic for me. I'm going to put it all the way out. That wing is going to go all the way. Yeah, just fill that in. I outline it first, and then I fill in my eyeliner. Just trying to get it precise as the one next to it. Okay, so when eyeliner is done, now we're gonna go for the face. So I'm not gonna use foundation. Like I said before, I don't use foundation every day. I use concealer, so I'm just gonna conceal my eyes with the Morphe concealer. The shade I'm using is C255, and I think that suits me the best. So I'm just gonna take it under my eye, T-zone, nose, and my chin. I'm just going to blend that out with a beauty blender. Pretty basic stuff. So you guys know the drill by now, hopefully. Just take it all the way up to my temples. Just blend it all over my face. Okay, so today I'm going to do cream contour. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour kit, and I'm going to use the light, the two colors that I pointed out. So I'm going to take the two colors, and I'm going to take a Morphe flat brush. So this brush is going to be for, I'm going to outline where I want my contour. So this is going to be the one that I apply it with, not blend it with yet. And then I'm just going to apply it on my cheekbones. You know, pretty basic contour places. Everyone knows where that is. Under the chin. You know, we want that snatched jawline, even though we don't have it. We all want it though. So there you go. That's how you get it. And then on my forehead. Alright, so to blend out the cream contour, I'm going to use a very dense, pretty thick Morphe brush, foundation brush. This is going to help blend it out. And as you see, I'm first just going to use circular motions, and then I'm going to take it upwards because I want my contour to go upwards. Right now, when I'm blending it, it's not going to look that pretty because it is cream contour, so you really have to blend. Like, you have to work to blend it out. And in the beginning, before you set it, before you do anything, it's going to look like a mess. So to top it off, this is what I do. I use cream contour and then I top it off with bronzer. So I'm using the Cover FX palette and I'm going to use a bronzer inside of there. So this really helps your contour, your cream contour, to stay and locks it in. It doesn't move. So I'm going to apply the bronzer all over where I had the cream contour. Just going over that to locking it in. And just blending that out. Alright, then I'm just going to bake now with the Morphe Brightening Pink Powder. I'm taking it on a beauty sponge, tapping the excess off, and then just under my eyes to brighten that up and to set it so there's no creases and no wrinkles or anything like that. And then just under my cheek contour. Alright, so you can't have an Arabic look without snatched eyebrows. So wait a second. There we go. You know they're big on their eyebrows. So My eyebrows are done, and now baking is done too, so I'm just going to take an angled brush and wipe off all the powder that's left. And this part is also going to help blend out the cream contour. So you're going to take off the powder and then just with a light hand take it upwards to your contour so there's no harsh lines either. Alright, and then now I am going to smoke out my under eye. I'm going to use the color Saffron and Oud underneath my eyes to smoke it out, since this is a smoky eye look as well. And just smoke it out so we have a base for our eyeliner that we're going to put in our waterline. So yeah, first we put the color Saffron. And then we're going to take the color Oud on a flat definer brush and just put it as close to the waterline as we can, right by the lashes. Do the same thing for the other eye. Alright, so for my waterline, I'm going to use the Black is Black gel liner and put that in my waterline with a thicker brush. This stuff works wonders on the waterline. That's why I actually use it for. It stays on, it doesn't bleed, and it is amazing for the waterline. So I'm just going to cover the waterline and the top of my eye as well. Just take that down a little and do the same for the other eye. We make some weird faces applying makeup. I just noticed my face and that is pretty weird. Why am I doing that? Don't know. Alright, I'm gonna connect that with the eye wing. Alright, and then just going to take the flat pencil brush as well, and then just blend the eyeliner into my bottom makeup up there. So it's going to blend into the color Oud. And then just take saffron a little bit and smoke it out so we don't look like a raccoon. And just put that underneath the eyeliner. Alright, so that's done. Now for blush, I'm going to take the Morphe blush palette and use the peachy color. Since our eyes are pretty dark, I don't want to go too dark on my cheeks. So I'm going to use the peach colors, mix them together, and then apply them upwards so our cheeks look pulled back. Clean off that nose ring. Trust me, I'm not picking my nose. I'm just trying to clean that nose ring off. It bothers me so much. Who could relate though? Let me know. And then for the glow, I'm going to use the Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to go in for the golden color, which is butterscotch. And then just take a highlighter brush and get that glow. Ooh. And just work that into the skin. Blend it out with the blush and the contour. Nose bridge on the eyebrows. And my chinny chin chin. And then now I'm just gonna highlight my tear duct. Alright, for the lips, I'm gonna go in with the lip liner, NYX lip liner in the color Los Angeles. This is just to set and give my lipstick a base to stick on. Just fill out my lips with that and line them with it. And then for the lipstick today, I am going to go in with MAC Cosmetics lipstick and the color Stone. This is a really nice gray mauve-y tone lipstick, and I think it looks really good with this look. It's also very hydrating. Like, MAC lipsticks are very hydrating, so it's good for this time of the year where it's getting drier outside, it's cold, your skin's gonna start getting drier and your lips are gonna start getting chapped. So this is a good lipstick to have on during this time of the day. Of the year, sorry. Alright, just filling up my lips. Alright, to set my face, I'm gonna use my favorite NYX matte finishing setting spray. Especially for this look, I think it's a must to set it because you used cream contour, powders, dark colors on your eyes, so you definitely need to set it. And I still haven't invested in a fan, so I need to get about with my life. Alright guys, so the look is done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, please like and subscribe. And let me down in the comments below what you think and what looks I should do next. Alright guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye!